What's going on, players? My name is Eric Greenlee, and what we have here today is the ASG 40mm grenade shell. For those of you who aren't familiar with 40mm grenade shells, they essentially go into things such as this. This is a classic Army M203 grenade launcher. The way it works is you just slide this thing open. Here's the ammo. Put it right inside there. And then there you have it. Shells can differ in how they project the BBs. Some of them shoot 30 BBs, some of them shoot 50 BBs. However, the ASG 40mm grenade shell shoots 90 BBs, as well as the little lid that covers the BBs in the little chamber. Having one massive chamber for all your BBs in the shell certainly beats having multiple chambers for all your BBs. This way, instead of having to go through and speed load each individual chamber, that can also result in having BBs sprinkle out. All you have to do is you can either scoop out BBs from your bag into the shell, or you can just get handfuls and then cover it with the lid so that nothing comes out. It makes it super easy to reload and extremely reliable. Occasionally, the little silver cap here, it will not come back out all the way. That's a completely normal problem with across all shells. However, with this ASG, it is super easy to fix with just a half turn of the body, and it'll spring back out. As opposed to the honeycomb shells, which require you to open up the internals, go through the whole shell, and try and find the issue. If you're in a pinch and you happen to lose all of your rubber caps, you have a little DIY project that you can do where you can put over packing tape at the end and it'll act just the same as your rubber cap. Once again, this is the ASG 40mm grenade shell. They're extremely reliable and they outperform most of your other grenade shells that you can purchase. You can purchase these ASG grenade shells here in the store for $30 a pop, or you can get them from the online store. The link is in the description. My name is Eric Greenlee. Thanks for watching.